Hey everyone and welcome to Instachef. So today I'm going to be bringing to you yet another really simple and fun to make burger recipe. I'm going to be making chicken nugget burger. For the burger, we'll be requiring chicken nuggets, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, salt and pepper, butter, cheese, green chutney, mayonnaise and burger buns. So to begin with, I'm going to fry these nuggets and keep them ready. So now that they've turned golden brown in color, we can take them out. So now I move on to the burger buns. I'm going to be slitting them in half and toasting them with a little bit of butter. Now I'm going to be putting the butter on the pan and toasting the buns with it. Meanwhile, we can make the spread. We're going to mix green chutney and mayonnaise together. This spread can also be used on a sandwich. Okay, so the burger buns also look pretty much done. So now we can start with the assembly process. We are going to take the spread and spread it across both the halves of the bun. Now we're going to tear up some of the lettuce and put it on top of the bun. And now we're going to put the star of the dish, the chicken nuggets. Now the onions. And the tomatoes. We're going to put some salt and pepper to taste. And last but not the least, the cheese. And now we're going to cover the burger with the other half and it's ready to serve. So there you have it, chicken nuggets burger. Tell me how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time.